There we go. There she's coming out. What's up, guys? We're on our way to a accident by request for the sheriff's office. It's over in the Three Bridges area is what we call it. It's kind of like between Ridgewood and Angleton. It's a motorcycle that we're going to be picking up. Sounds like a car pulled out in front of it or something. And we were requested by the owner to go and pick it up. So we're on our way. I believe it's a silver Harley. Not sure condition of the rider. Last I heard, he'd had road rash and stuff. I'm not sure what else happened. Keep everybody your thoughts and prayers. We're headed that way. Thanks for watching, guys. Looks like we're right up here.
0322.
Let's see where the Harley's at.
There, guys, there's a female customer inside refusing to leave, yelling and cussing.
It's off in the grass over there. Gonna make the U-turn right here.
Or attempting to get one. 5542, sure as well.
Fire truck's pulling up, so we should have room to get in.
Clear.
Let's see what this thing's looking like here. What's up? How y'all doing?
Good, you?
Oh yeah, I'm good. How's it going?
Hey there, bud.
Y'all have me for this one? At least it's not like an 800-pound street glide. All right, get some pictures before I get it stood up. Got handlebars all on the ground. Oh boy. Can I get one of you guys to help me lift this thing up? There. There we go. I appreciate it. Really wish it hadn't rained here recently. I had pulled down here, so I ain't gotta try to do nothing dumb to get this thing up. I don't know if that's gonna hold or not. Probably not. Let me grab a board real quick.
I don't think that's gonna hold.
That's definitely not gonna. Right here. Piece of wood right here. There we go. Get it. Maybe. There it goes. All right. Really don't want to.
Yeah, it's dripping out.
Yeah, I see that. Turn that off. How's the rider doing?
I want to get him checked out. He's gonna be feeling it for a while.
You at least have a helmet on? That's good, at least. All right. Dang it. You want to try to help me push this thing up here? This ground's gonna be way too soft for me to get that thing down here. I'm gonna have to.
It's gonna be a tour, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is.
If we could at least get it pointed kind of up to where I could get more square with it. Right? Never fails. Every time I get a call for a bike, it's always like an 800-pound street glide. All right. Get it kind of sort of. All right. I appreciate it. All right. All right. No way I'd have got that loaded up and out of there without him helping. These. I think I'm gonna get the motorcycle dolly. There goes that way. One more piece I gotta grab. This ramp right here. Here. drag out from underneath it. Get the pin here. Alright. Let's see if we can. Whoop. Yeah. There we go. It should pretty much stay up by itself now.
Let's strap it.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna strap it. But it should hold itself for the most part. Grab my little ratchet straps. How the heck? That can stay in there with that. Triple tree. Going that straight. That ought to get it. Now let me get this thing strapped down. Other straps, there we go. Underside straps. These. Ratchets. If I really trust that, I can get around that. For choice.
got money to the bank. Hey, that money.
Here. Come up to here. And we ought to be about done with this one. Bike's really not busted up too bad. It's definitely, weather's warming up, motorcycles are getting out. Those people gotta watch what the heck they're doing. Thankfully, this one's not any worse than it is. We had another bad motorcycle wreck last night. I didn't get to work that one because I was somewhere else doing something else. I missed that one. Make sure they ain't got no paperwork for me to sign or anything.
Exchange form.
Okay.
That's unit 2.
Okay. Perfect.
Number 2.
Okay. I will give that to him. Thank you. All right. Hang on to that. It's the information for the one that hit him, which I guess is that black Acura up there. Put all my other stuff up here. Appreciate the help of the trooper, constable, and everybody, all the officers that helped us get that loaded up. Kind of surprised there. Well, I guess that one's drivable.
2966.
This is why they're not towing it. Anyways, keep your thoughts and prayers with the rider of the motorcycle and everything, because that's he's gonna have some recovery to do. That's part of riding, I guess. You gotta be willing to know you might get hurt, you know, if you go out and ride. So kind of comes with the territory, I suppose. But anyways, we're headed to the yard to get this thing unloaded. All right, so we got the Harley unstrapped. I'm gonna try to stick it kind of over in this corner here. Do need to kind of slide it over. Where it might go more towards that corner. I think that'll work. Should give us some clearance away from the car. All right. Now the fun part, getting this thing off of here without freaking dropping it. Especially because it's already starting to lean a little bit. The good news is I can use the winch to pull the dolly out from underneath it. God dang it, I took the time for this. Alright. And we gotta get this thing up. Her handlebars loose. Really need to be leaning the other way. Kickstands down. I'm gonna hold the brake. If the rear brake works, but it doesn't. I need a wood block or something. Right, so I'm gonna try this wood block in front of the tire there. Oh, good. There we go. There she's coming out. All right. And she's down. Mostly on her own now. All right. Perfect. I'm gonna get some kind of a 2x4 to put under that. Do need to go back a little bit with it. Get the bed out from underneath it. There we go. Motorcycles are a pain in the butt to unload, but we got it. I gotta get all this picked up real quick because, like I said, I have a truck in the water now that I gotta go get. So I'm gonna go get ready to deal with that. You'll probably see that on the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Oof. Okay. Whew, that water's cold. Oh no. Hey, we got problems. The truck's now smoking. Yeah, it's about to catch on fire.